Good morning, students. As we know, uh, there is a revised syllabus given by CBSE. In this revised syllabus, the light reflection and refraction chapter includes light reflection and some portion of the human eyes and the colorful world. तो दोनों को ही एक साथ मर्ज कर दिया है। तो हम लोग इसको जो जो चैप्टर हम लोगों को टॉपिक्स इसमें इंक्लूड किया है रिवाइज में, उसी को हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। लाइट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच हेल्प अस टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट। When light falls on object, it reflects the light, and when the reflected light reaches our eyes, then we see the object. Light travels in straight line. The common phenomenon of light are formation of shadow, formation of image by mirror, and lenses bending the light by a medium, twinkling of stars, formation of rainbow, etc. So these are the some peculiar characteristic of the light, as you see in the diagram. Now move to the reflection of light. When light falls on a highly polished surface like mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection. There is a law regarding reflection of light. First law, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Second, the incidence ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane. तो ये दो लॉ जो रिफ्लेक्शन से संबंधित है, पहला है किसी मीडियम के लिए एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट और एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन दोनों बराबर होता है। एंगल ऑफ द रे ऑफ इंसिडेंस, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड नॉर्मल, ये तीनों एक ही पॉइंट पर लाई करते हैं। इन तीनों को आप इस डायग्राम से समझ सकते हो, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, नॉर्मल एंड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। दूसरा वाला ये है, ये 3 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम है, इसलिए आपको इस तरह दिखाई देगा। नाउ इमेज फॉर्म बाय अ प्लेन मिरर। द इमेज फॉर्म बाय अ प्लेन मिरर, जो मिरर हम लोग अपने घरों में यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ अ प्लेन मिरर। उसका जो सरफेस है, रिफ्लेक्टिव सरफेस एकदम प्लेन होता है। तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इमेज फॉर्म बाय प्लेन मिरर इज द इमेज इज इरेक्ट, image is same size as the object, the image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of it, the image is virtual, cannot be obtained on the screen, and image is laterally inverted, left right and right left it seems. So this is the characteristic feature of the image formed by a plane mirror. Now move to the spherical mirror. The spherical mirror is the mirror that reflecting surface is in the spherical shape. A spherical mirror is a curved mirror which is part of the hollow sphere. Spherical mirror are of two types, they are concave and convex mirror. Concave is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward. Ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection from a concave mirror meet a point at the principal axis. Convex mirror is the spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward. A reflecting surface is curved outward. Ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection from a convex mirror get diverged and appears to come from point behind the mirror. There are some terms related to the spherical mirror. Center of curvature is the center of sphere of which the mirror is a part. Radius of curvature is the radius of plane of which the mirror is a part. Pole is the center of the spherical mirror. Principal axis is the straight line passing through center of curvature and pole of the mirror. Principal focus, in a concave mirror, rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection meet at a point on the principal axis called principal focus. In a convex mirror, rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection get diverted and appears to come from a point on the principal axis behind the mirror called principal axis. Focal length is the distance between pole and focus. If spherical mirror, the radius of curvature is twice the focal length, or r is equal to 2f और f is equal to r by 2. तो इस डायग्राम से आपको ये स्पष्ट हो जाएगा कि C is the center of curvature, f is the focus and the distance from f to P is called focal length. P is the pole, xy is the principal axis. तो reflection by spherical mirror. In a concave mirror, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through the focus. In a convex mirror, a ray light parallel to the principal axis after reflection diverges from the focus. Second, in a concave mirror, a ray of light passing through the focus after reflection get parallel to the principal axis. In a convex mirror, a ray of light directed toward the focus after reflection get parallel to the principal axis. आप इस जो स्टेटमेंट है उसको डायग्राम के द्वारा आप इसको देख सकते हो. In a concave mirror, a ray of light passing through the center of curvature after reflecting it will get back in the same path. In convex mirror, ray of light directed toward the center of curvature after reflection it reflected back along the same direction. दोनों के लिए एक ही फार्मूला. In a concave or convex mirror, a ray of light directed obliquely at the pole is reflected obliquely, making equal angle with the principal axis. So these are the some rules of the image formation. Image formed by a concave mirror. तो देखिए ये अलग अलग पोजीशन पे ऑब्जेक्ट को रखने पे अलग अलग इमेज फॉर्म होती है. The object, when object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at the focus. It is highly diminished, real and inverted. Second, when image is behind C, image is formed between C and F. It is diminished, real and inverted. When image is at the C, the image is formed at C and same size object, real and inverted. When object is between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. It is enlarged, real and inverted. When object is at F, the image is formed at infinity. It is highly enlarged, real and inverted. When the object is in between P and F, image is formed behind the mirror. It is enlarged, virtual and erect. देखो तो एक ही पोजीशन है जहाँ पर कॉनकेव मिरर में इमेज वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट बनता है व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन बिटवीन पी एंड एफ. बाकी सब पोजीशन में इमेज रियल और इन्वर्टेड बनता है. इमेज फॉर्म बाय कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इनफाइनिटी द इमेज इज फॉर्म एट एफ बिहाइंड द मिरर. इट इज हाईली डिमिनिश, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. Position 2, when the image is object in between infinity and pole, the image is found behind the mirror. It is a diminished, virtual and erect. Use of spherical mirror. Concave mirror are used in torch, searchlights and headlights of vehicles to get parallel beam of light. They are used as saving mirror to see larger image of the face. They are used by dentists to see larger image of the teeth. Large concave mirror are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnace. Now the use of convex mirror. Convex mirror are used as rear view mirror in vehicles. Convex mirror gives erect, diminished image of the object. They also have a wider field of view than plane mirror. There is a new concept of sign convention. It is called new Cartesian sign convention for the spherical mirror. किस तरह से आप साइन को यूज़ करोगे, किधर प्लस रखना है, किधर माइनस रखना है, कब प्लस होगा, कब माइनस होगा, कब रियल होगा, कब इन्वर्टेड होगा, इसको इस डायग्राम से आप समझ पाओगे. The object is always placed on the left of the mirror and light from the object falls on the left to the right. All distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole. All distance measured to the right of the pole are taken as positive, and all distance measured to the left of the pole is taken as negative. The height measured upward perpendicular to the principal axis is taken as positive, and downward is taken as negative. All these statement you will see in the diagram. The mirror formula of spherical mirror. It is a one. The mirror formula for spherical mirror is relationship between object, image and focal length, and we have 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. It is called mirror formula. Magnification for spherical mirror is ratio of height of object, ratio of height of image to the height of object, or magnification is equal to height of image divided by height of object, या इसको m is equal to hi upon h0 के रूप में भी जान सकते हैं. The magnification is also related to the object distance and image distance. It is expressed as magnification m is equal to hi upon h0 or v upon u. So this is the reflection law, spherical mirror, use of spherical mirror, sign convention, magnification and mirror formula. Now move to the next section, that is a refraction. Refraction is the process when light travels from one medium to another medium. It gets bent. This bending of light is called refraction. When light travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends toward the normal. When light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it bend away from the normal. आप इस डायग्राम से देख सकते हो. Refraction of light through a rectangular glass slab. When a ray of light passes through a rectangular glass slab, it gets bent twice at the air glass interface and the glass air interface. The emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray and displaced through a distance. तो इस तरह आप रेक्टेंगुलर ग्लास स्लैब में किस तरह से लाइट का रिफ्रैक्शन होता है आप देख सकते हो. Likewise, the reflection of light, there is also law of refraction of light. There is two law. First, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal to the interface of the transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction in a constant for light for a given color and for the given pair of medium. This is called Snell's law of refraction. Snell's law of refraction और sin I upon sin r का वैल्यू कांस्टेंट होता है. What is refractive index? Refractive index is a medium in which ratio of the speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. This ratio is called refractive index, or refractive index is equal to speed of light in air or vacuum divided by speed of light in medium, और n is equal to c upon v. इस फार्मूले से हम रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सिंस रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज the ratio of same quantity, that's why it has no any unit. Spherical lenses, there is two type of lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens is the thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction through convex lens meet at a point on the principal axis. Concave, thinner in the middle and thicker at the edge. Ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction get diverted and appears coming from point of the principal axis on the same side of the lenses. Refraction by the spherical lenses. It is similar to the mirror also. Same formula is also applied here. Image formation, it is just like the mirror formula. Mirror, same rule apply here. Here the lens न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन जिस तरह मिरर में आपने साइन कन्वेंशन किया है, यहाँ भी साइन कन्वेंशन भी वैसा ही हम इसको लेते हैं. लेंस फार्मूला इट इज़ द 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f. मिरर में ये फार्मूला 1/v प्लस 1/u होता है, लेकिन लेंस में 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f. ये लेंस फार्मूला है. मैग्निफिकेशन it is just like the mirror. Magnification height of image divided by height of object or m is equal to hi/h0. Same formula यहाँ भी है. Power of the lens. The power of lens in the sphere reciprocal of its focal length. The power of lens is the reciprocal of its focal length, or P is equal to 1/f, where f in meter. P is equal to 1/p. The SI unit of power is diopter. 1 diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. The power of convex lens is positive and power of concave lens is taken as negative. So this is the first part of the refraction and reflection of light.